TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 1 p.m. Eastern time on Thursday. 3 hours left to go in the trading day. And if you look at where we are in the markets, you wouldn't think much has happened, but we've had volatility in both directions. Right now, you have the Dow negative 25 points, trading at 25,515. S&P is currently positive by 3, trading at 2752, and the NASDAQ positive by 25 points, trading at 74.45. We've got some action in the dollar index, but right now we're negative 88 ticks at 96,850. Gold, we've gotten a recent bid up $1.30 at 13.1640. Oil up 44 cents, 54.33. Notes and bonds, quite a move. 10-year note up 12 ticks, 122.04. 30-year bond up 22 ticks, 146.14. And to jump over to the charts, and we'll start it off with with the story that drove the action this morning, and that was retail sales coming out at 8:30 a.m. this morning, worst number since 2009, as retail sales tumbled 1.2%. So that was at 8:30 in the morning. And then what you also had is that you had the story, and I'm going to jump back to the Bloomberg. We're going to go into the top stories here. And what you'll see is you had this story, which had to do with the China-U.S. trade talks, coming out at about 10:40 a.m. this morning, talking about that they were said to be far apart on reform deals. The market reacting to this swiftly. And to jump back to the charts, there's some context for the two moves we're going to see. There's your 8:30 a.m. number. We'll start it off on the NASDAQ 100. We trade lower. The market creeps back up. And then, boom, there is your report in terms of U.S.-China trade talks. We trade lower again. But the point being, nonetheless, the market climbing back to higher territory, basically back to where we were at early this morning. Dow 30, not quite back up to that level yet, but within about 75 Dow points. S&P, similar story. 27.59 is where we were this morning. We're up to 27.53, but erasing both of those losses. Gold trading higher, 13.1635. Crude oil, talk about volatility in both directions. We're at 54.60, down to almost 53, back up to 54.36. And natural gas trading at 2.57. The other story out there breaking today that will catch some headlines, as you have Amazon saying that they are no longer going to build their headquarters in New York after mounting opposition. They were said to get $3 billion worth of incentives. They were going to have their headquarters, one of their headquarters, in Queens. It seems like that will not happen. And as you see that headline as well, looks like the Attorney General, as expected, should be confirmed. Stay tuned, folks. Steve Rhodes coming up right now.